The most unexpected item in my bag is hey, I'm Fletcher. Are you ready to spill it? So my bag was made by a fan of mine, actually. She's a design student. She lives in Germany, and the brand is called 29, and she gave this to me as a gift the last time that I was just in Germany, and I'm obsessed with it. I think it's so cute. This bag is cooler than I am. I chose this bag today because I felt like I liked the way it looked with my outfit, and yeah, I just like want to lift up young queer designers, and my fans are my favorite humans on the planet, so I just, yeah, wanted to show off this bag, and I have a lot of gratitude for it. My bag is always giving Mary Poppins. Never know what's gonna be in there. Sometimes it's like really cute and clean and super organized. Other times it looks like a tornado, and there's snack wrappers, and it's a scary place. But I knew where I was coming today, and so we got her organized because we didn't want to be put on blast like that. Okay, let's see what's in my bag. The first thing in my bag is the True Botanicals like facial mist, because when you need a little spritz, a little freshen up, this has got you covered. Also smells so good. We have a cell phone, obviously, because everybody usually has a phone in their bag. I have the peppermint essential oil. You just need a little spice, a little freshen up, freshen the breath. Not all of them you can take orally in your mouth, but this one you can. We've got a gloss. We got a little Chanel lip gloss because gotta have those lips looking kissable. I have this little dad video camera because, oh, she's dirty. You never know what you, look, you guys capture me, I capture you. I have this tiny little American Girl doll brush just because it's, look how perfect the size of this thing is. You could just give just a little, and then suddenly I had a little American Girl doll. I had a little Carrie doll when I was younger. So maybe this is just healing for my inner child in some way. These are actually, that's funny. These are little like fan notes. Like, we love you so much. Keep going. Inside of this book called The 4 Agreements, which I've been trying to read for years. It takes me forever to read books. I don't know why. I literally am like, yeah, and I take it everywhere because I'm like, I'm gonna be cute. I'm gonna sit in a park. I'm gonna read today. It never happens. So I'll let you guys know how it goes. I've only read part of it. I have custom beats by Dre. They made me a set of beats for my album. It says like Searching on the top and Antidote right here and Fletcher. So I can be doing shameless self-promotion and say, go listen to In Search of the Antidote by Fletcher. And then there's these little like stars and a little moon and for my astrology obsession. I have a wallet. I do have identification. I just have this little wallet from Target, you know, nothing too crazy, nothing special. What is this? Oh, somebody gave me their number. A fan gave me their number. And it's in the wallet. That's cute. The most unexpected item in my bag is a vibrator. You never know when you might need to just relieve some stress. Or we are gonna, I don't know. It's just, the possibilities are endless. And so, look, it's just cute. You could take it anywhere. It's sneaky. She's fun. Life is stressful, guys. We have to have an outlet. And you have to carry it with you at all times because you never know if I'm kidding. And then lastly, we have just a crystal. This is just it's just amethyst. It's like good for anxiety and just feels nice and it's pretty. That's my bag. It's me spilling it. I just released my album called In Search of the Antidote, and I love it so much. It's my favorite music I've ever made, so go give it a stream, a download, and check it out. Bye. The gang's all here. That was way faster than I thought it was gonna go. To watch more videos like this, subscribe here.